The conversion modules allow for the connection of existing 1771 I/O field wiring to the 1756 I/O. It creates an easier method of execution, saving time and money. The following presentation demonstrates how this is done using an existing swing arm. First, disconnect the existing 1771 modules and remove them from the chassis. Next, remove the entire chassis, but keep the swing arm. Using the same screws, install the new Rockwell Automation base. Then, install our conversion modules to the base and connect the 1771 swing arm to the modules. Finally, install the hinge cover and the ControlLogix chassis. Using our 1492 cabling system, connect the conversion modules to the ControlLogix native I/O.